Welcome back to our channel, where we offer you the most recent breaking news stories from across the globe. We are receiving some shocking news from the Netherlands today. According to rumors, the notorious Dutch felon Willem Holleeder has been arrested. Since Holleeder is one of the most notorious criminals in Dutch history, this revelation shocked the entire nation. We will go into the specifics of his arrest, the allegations against him, and any potential repercussions in this video. Willem Holleeder, who was born in Amsterdam in 1958, was the son of Wim Holleeder, a former Heineken employee who was fired due to drinking. He and his friend Cor van Hout were members of a gang who assisted landlords in evicting squatters while they were teenagers, and they may have participated in a number of robberies. When Cor van Hout wed Sonia, the sister of Holleeder, he later became his brother-in-law. At first, he had a business connection with real estate businessman Willem Enstra that might have involved money laundering. Holleeder and Enstra had a falling out after the death of Cor van Hout in 2003. Enstra gave a covert statement to the police about Holleeder, but he was assassinated in 2004 not far from his workplace. It is believed that John Miramet, who was slain in Thailand on November 2, 2005, and Willem Enstra were both killed on orders from Holleeder and his accomplice Dino Sorel. Despite the fact that 3 suspects in the Enstra murder, Ali N and C. Oscar of Alkmaar and Cleon D. from Almere, have been freed, Holleeder's name keeps coming up in this case. Enstra claims that Holleeder was involved in 25 homicides, including the one that killed Cor van Hout. According to the 16th of July 2006 report in the Dutch newspaper De Telegraaf, Holleeder and Cor van Hout had intended to kidnap Prince Bernhard rather than Freddie Heineken in the 1980s. In a deposition before the Dutch National Police, Thomas van der Biel, who was assassinated in his pub in Amsterdam in April 2006, stated these accusations. Holleeder was arrested in May 2013 as part of a massive operation involving 450 police and army troops. He had been charged with extortion. Theo Huisman, the former head of the Hells Angels Holland chapter in Amsterdam, is said to have been the victim of extortion. Holleeder was freed from prison on June 12, 2013. However, he is still a suspect in the crime. When Holleeder was back behind bars, it was discovered in May 2015 that he knew who was responsible for the murder of his brother-in-law, Cor van Hout. Astrid, his sister, and a criminal defense attorney, promised to help with his prosecution since she thought Holleeder was planning to kill her. She secretly filmed his confession while paying him a visit in jail and gave it to the police. Holleeder was engaged in a number of further illegal pursuits, such as extortion, drug trafficking, and murder. His freedom, however, was brief, and he was once more detained on the suspicion of money laundering, extortion, and participation in organized crime. While still in prison, Holleeder was arrested once more in April 2016 for reportedly hiring 2 gang members to murder his sisters Astrid and Sonia, as well as mega-trial witness Peter R. de Vries. Holleeder called the accusation nonsense and affirmed that it would not be in his interest to murder his sisters. Astrid thinks that the gang member who told the authorities about the plot afterwards changed his mind about it because he is also terrified of her brother. In July 2019, the court in Amsterdam found Holleeder guilty of 5 murders, including the one of his former friend and criminal associate Cor van Hout, and 1 case of manslaughter, sentencing him to life in prison at the age of 61. This decision was made on the prosecutor's request and ignored Holleeder's denials. In debunker, the trial took place. In conclusion, the arrest of Willem Holleeder marks a significant development in the ongoing conflict against organized crime. The allegations against him were serious, and if he is proven guilty, it might have a big impact on the nation's criminal underground. It also demonstrates the Dutch government's dedication to combating this problem and making it clear that organized crime will not be allowed. For more information on this and other crucial news stories, please consider subscribing to our channel if you found this video to be informative. Thanks for watching.